Despite having a long history, the Jeep Grand Cherokee is the best SUV for serving its intended market. With annual sales of more than 205,000 units for the 2020 model year, this enormous American SUV has enjoyed the sales success. With a starting price of $33,645, this SUV competes with the Ford Explorer, the GMC Acadia, and the Volkswagen Atlas. Although many people have found the SUV to be a good choice, owners have voiced concerns about the infotainment system and transmission issues. Additionally, people have seen their SUVs catch fire for unidentified reason. Let's take a closer look at the 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee issues. It's the Car Problems YouTube channel. Subscribe and let's get started. HVAC issues. It has been reported that Grand Cherokee new models with fewer than 300 miles experience HVAC problems when stationary. The unit blows hot air for 10 to 15 minutes after turning on, according to the owners. Dealers identified an unknown electrical code, and a software update fixed the problem. Engine stalling. The 2020 Grand Cherokee's engine has been known to stall when starting from a stop, according to some reports. The complainants claim that the engine starts up normally but cuts off in the middle, necessitating a restart of the vehicle. ABS failures. Some complainants claim that their car's ABS malfunctioned when they had to brake suddenly. The wheels locked up, according to the witnesses, making steering challenging. The SUV occasionally collided with nearby objects, causing damage to them. Transmission error. The transmission is slipping gears and unintentional movement have been a source of owners' claims. Numerous complaints have been made about the transmission jerking at lower RPMs, stalling the car in the process. The worrying fact is that the problem has appeared in new units with as few as 500 miles. Steering issues. Some people have reported that the SUV swerves and doesn't stay in one place. At highway speeds, where people prefer to use cruise control, this is risky. UConnect issues. The Grand Cherokee's UConnect system, as well as the UConnect system in all other Jeep vehicles, frequently malfunctions. While driving, the system freezes and is very distracting. These freezing problems also make the entire unit inoperable and necessitate restarting the car. Backup camera issues. There have been numerous reports of owners' backup cameras freezing and impairing their ability to see behind them. Collisions between people and nearby objects have been reported. This problem has also been referred to by many complainants as a distraction while driving. Vehicle speed control issue. When in cruise control, the Grand Cherokee's VSC is rumored to go off. The SUV unintentionally starts to accelerate as a result. The system has also displayed this problem when traveling at slower speeds. Recalls. The 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee has been the subject of 2 recalls. The first recall is about high-pressure fuel pump failure is possible. A lack of fuel may cause an unexpected loss of drive power, which raises the possibility of a collision. The second one concerns the ability to keep the rearview image on the screen. Driving while distracted by the lingering rearview image increases the likelihood of a collision. Should you buy it? The 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee is a wise investment that offers a ton of features even in the base trim. The SUV receives positive customer feedback right away, but there have been some transmission and infotainment system problems. One recall required a software update, which isn't really a big deal. Feel free to purchase a used vehicle as the model year has historically been a solid one for FCA products.